I'm meteorologist Peter Chan at the National Weather Service for Alaska statewide weather on this Friday, March 21st. Well, we've just passed that point in our orbit around the sun. We had the astronomical arrival of spring, the spring equinox across the northern hemisphere at 1:01 a.m. Alaska Daylight Time, early Thursday morning. But we're not really going to see that much in the way of spring-like weather, even though areas that are seeing sunshine through the course of this weekend, you can feel that increase in insolation. That is the warmth of the sun rays as the sun angle is getting higher. We're gaining over 5.5 minutes of daylight each day. So as we continue to progress, we will gradually warm and see growing daylight. But in the meantime, there is some much colder air out over the Chukchi Sea into eastern Russia. This Arctic air mass happens to run along the west coast, especially, say, from around areas like Cape Lisburne, Point Hope, through the Bering Strait, St. Lawrence Island, that have seen temperatures, especially at nighttime, well below zero. There is a stalled out frontal boundary or trough that lies along areas of the west coast and western interior, and that is a focus for a band of light to moderate snow, and as a result, there is a winter weather advisory for areas around Norton Sound, the east side of Norton Sound, from Golovin on up through Koyuk and then down through Shaktoolik, Unalakleet to Stebbins. That area could pick up 4 to 8 inches of snowfall now through Sunday morning, and other areas that could be impacted by this band of snow are also around Kotzebue Sound and also further south into the areas of the Yukon River and Middle Kuskokwim around Russian Mission, Holy Cross, and Anvik could pick up several inches of snow as well now through early Sunday morning. That's one of the more notable weather makers, and the other area along the Gulf Coast and Panhandle could see some additional periods of rain and snow, the rain being at sea level and then the snow, especially along the coastal mountains as you get up in elevation. And as we come up here tonight, last quarter moon, a new moon occurs on March 29th, and it looks like below normal temperatures will continue through the end of March into early April. For Alaska statewide weather, I'm Peter Chan.